In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete number 1 from the GoFormative tutorial. First, I want you to look at the directions. It says number 1, color and thickness practice. Part A, choose a color and draw a line. Part B, choose a different thickness and draw a line segment. When you click show your work, I want you to notice that those directions populate right over here on the right side. So these directions are the same as the directions that were right here. So the first thing says choose a color and draw a line. So to pick a color, I need to go up to this top left where you can see the icon looks like a line, and I choose whatever color I want to choose. Maybe I want to use blue, and I'm going to start on this thickness, and then I'm going to draw a line. And I tried to do kind of a terrible job there so that you can see that when you use the scribble icon, I mean, it can really go wrong. It can go pretty crooked. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the eraser and I'm going to erase what I just drew. And I'm going to click line instead, and I'm going to show you that I can draw, look, it will draw me a perfectly straight line. And then since this is a line, I'm going to add arrows on the right side and arrows on the left because a line goes on forever in both directions. So it goes on forever to the left and forever to the right. So I just drew my line. Now I move on to part B. Choose a different thickness and draw a line segment. So now I'm going to choose a different thickness. And I want to have a little fun, so I'm going to pick a different color too. And I click OK. So now what I'm going to do is I am still under this line option, and it's going to be a thicker line, but again it's perfectly straight. I'm going to go back to scribble to show that we have an end point on the left, and I'm highlighting the fact that we have an end point on the right because with a line segment you have two endpoints. It ends on this left side and it also ends on this right side. It does not go on forever. It's just a section of a line. It's a line segment. So we have now just completed number 1 of the tutorial. So we'll click check, and then we can move on to number 2.